In front of me is a V-MOBILE S39, and today I'll show you how to boot the device into Fastboot mode. So to begin, you want to hold power key, and once you see the boot options, select power off. Wait for the device to shut off, which will be indicated with the vibration of the phone. So right now for me. So once it shuts off, you want to hold power key and volume up simultaneously. So power key, volume up. Okay, and now we're in the boot mode. So from here, you will use volume up to navigate like so, and volume down will be used to confirm. And with that in mind, you want to select Fastboot mode, which is the second option, and confirm it with volume down. You'll get a message below the options, Fastboot mode, meaning that the device is now indeed in the Fastboot mode. So that is how you would enter this. Now, if you want to leave it, you will need to take off the cover of the phone and actually take out the battery itself. There is no other way of actually leaving this. You enter it like this. So let me actually pull off the battery or cover. Once more, I think the battery just got loose. So yeah, it basically now it's turning back on. So I actually, by some magical miracle, didn't actually have to pull it out. I think the battery just kind of got loose and automatically went back in, so the device rebooted itself. But normally when you take off the cover, you want to take out the battery and put it back into the phone to leave this mode. As you can see, we're now out of it. So that is how you would enter and also exit the Fastboot mode. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.